The Google Ads mobile app can help you keep up with consumer demand in real time, no matter where you are. Keep an eye out for these trends in your Overview tab. We'll surface them when we find relevant trends for your business. Let's walk you through an example. Let's say you sell baking supplies and you're looking to find new customers. With Search Trends, you could discover a rising trend for cookie decorating kits. Underneath that search trend, you'll find popular search terms associated with it, such as bread and pastry dough and baking kit. If you click on a search term, you'll see more information, including keywords in your account that match the search term, search growth, and more. You can then act on these trends by adding these terms as additional keywords for your existing campaigns. You may also want to update your in-store and online merchandising too. To keep up with consumer demand in real time, make sure you opt into getting push notifications from the Google Ads mobile app.